So now we are going to do an unboxing of this logic, Force Logic. So this is the tool that you're going to need in order to crimp copper pipes. So if you want to use the Pro Press, basically you will need this. You have another one. I have the other one as well, but it's not the same. It's only for PEX, so I'm going to show you so that way you can see the differences. All right, so as you can see, this is the other kit that I have as well. And this is way heavier and is more heavy duty than the other one. The other one is very little. Maybe I'll make another video so that way you can see and you can compare both. But those are two different products, so for two different things. One is for PEX. This one that you see here, even if you see that says, for instance, short throw press tool with a Viega pure flow jaws, so it's not the same thing like this. So this one is, if you want copper, you use this. If you want PEX, you use that. So now I'm going to show you everything that comes with this box. So basically, it comes with two batteries, a charger, and a lot of heads or jaws, as you can see here. So here we have 3/4, we have 1 inch, we have 1 inch and 1/4, we have 1 inch and a half, and we have 2 inches. And here I have a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to show you how basically how this works. So basically, when you take out of the box, what you're going to see is this. So you pull this like that, and then you can insert the new head. So basically, the head are like this. And here you're going to see it says 1 inch and a half. Sorry, 1/2 inch. And then the other one you're going to see 1 inch, 3/4, and everything else. I'm going to show you in a little bit. So basically, you have this. You put it like that, you press here, and that's it. So I'm going to remove it so that way you can see. You see, press, and it will keep it in place. And when you push the button, you see it goes up. And that's it. So that is how it works. So basically you have to put this like that, put it like that. Here, there is no way to put it in the wrong way. Push it like this, and that's it. So once, as you can see here in the middle, you have the gap here, so that way the connector will fit inside. So I'm going to show you. For instance, this is the connector that you have to buy. As usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, let me know. I can ship it to you worldwide. Otherwise, if you're here in US, I'll leave you the link so that way you can buy it yourself. So here you have the lights. It looks cool, and here you put it like that. You see, here you have this. Put it like this, press, and you will press it in place, and that's it. So in this case, these are kind of expensive. I don't want to waste them. I'm going to show you with another example, so that way you can see. I did the same thing with this one, and it works great. So I push like that. There is not much action than the one that you saw, and that's it. So you take it out, and that is all you have to do. So here, of course, when you put the new pipe inside, make sure the new pipe, is good. There is no damage or anything like that. Otherwise, it's going to ruin the O-ring that you have inside. Also, I saw in YouTube another video. There was one guy who removed even the O-rings, and he pressed it like that. It was working just fine, and he was trying to hit it a few times, and it was good. But if you hit it a lot, it's going to start having some leaks. But if you use it the way it is, you should not have any issue. So the advantage of this tool, why you should use this and not use the torch, because with the torch, if you have to do the same thing, you have to prepare the pipe, you have to clean it, use the flux, you have to make sure that you have no water inside of the pipe, otherwise you're not going to be able to do anything. Also, if you're in a commercial place, you have to, even if you solder it, you did everything right, you have to wait like 30 minutes until everything looks that is good. I mean, the 30 minutes is just to make sure that nothing catches on fire or anything like that. So if you use this, you don't have any issue like this. The reason I bought this, because usually I use PEX for most of my jobs, PEX or sharp bites. The thing is, sometimes you have crazy customers and they want, they say, well, I don't want a PEX, I want everything copper. Okay, if you want everything copper, no problem. I'll use ProPress, and that's it. But other than that, I mean, you can use it maybe in commercial environment. You're going to see, you know, they don't use PEX in many places, and it depends on the country that you're watching this video. Some places may allow, you know, to use PEX, another places or maybe another state may allow only copper, and then you have to use this. So I'm going to show you a little bit closer. All right, as you can see here, there you have all the jaws. As you can see, you have, you know, all the dimensions, and this box, I mean, is very good. I like it a lot. It's very heavy. That is the only downside, and you will have to keep everything here. The other one is very light. It's similar, but it's just for PEX. You cannot do anything like that. I mean, it's kind of like the other one, you see, but you cannot do anything. You cannot install any of those. The jars are kind of the same. And that's it. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. I'll see you next time.